In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 best budget drone under $300 available on the market today. We quoted this list from a few product review sites, and customer reviews reconsider the quality, features and values when narrowing down the best choice possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. And here are the top 5 best budget drone under $300 2021. Coming in number 5 of best budget drone under $300 2021 is Snapton SP7100 4K GPS drone. 4K GPS drone with UHD camera. Number 4. Holystone HS700D FPV drone. FPV drone with 2K FHD camera. Number 3. Roku 60 Minutes GPS drone. GPS drones with cameras. Number 2. Roku F11 Pro drone. 4K quadcopter UHD live video GPS drone. Number 1 of best budget drone under $300 2021 is Holystone HS720 GPS drone. Foldable GPS drone with 2K FHD camera. Thank you for watching the top 5 best budget drone under $300 in 2021. If you decided on a product to purchase, then look in the description below to get further product information and also get the best offers available right now.